I screwed up.
How dare you? That was a perfect take. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Ooh, what a precious day, oh. Ooh, what a precious day, oh. Spend my life with you. Ooh, what a precious day, oh. Oh, will you love me like you said in your letters? Ooh, what a precious day, oh. Ooh, what a precious day, oh. Ooh, what a sort of universe is my night love. Ooh, what a sort of universe is my night love. Will you love me like you did in your letters? Ooh, what a precious day, oh. 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 Ooh, my life with you, yeah. Ooh, what a precious day, oh. Oh, will you love me like you said in your letters? Ooh, what a precious day, oh. Ooh, what a precious day, oh. Do 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 do, ha ha, do 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 do, na 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 na. Do 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 do. Do you love me like you said in your letters?
Hey guys, it's April. So this is my Miss Groupie Supreme look, title inspired by Blondie's Ripper to Shreds. You know, red eyeshadow, green mascara. Ugh, she's too much. Basically that whole song is like what I'm trying to personify. I imagine myself like Marc Bolan's biggest fan, like #1 fan, possible groupie, wannabe groupie. Like she wants to be his girlfriend but never quite makes it backstage. But yeah, and what I used as inspiration, I was thinking about like back issues of, you know, Star magazine, particularly those with like Karen Humphrey on the cover, Sable Star, just those groupies. Lots of groupies as inspiration. But yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this look. I posted a photo of this look a while back on Instagram and you guys responded really well to it, and I'm finally getting around to filming a tutorial because I've been procrastinating. Yeah, I'm sorry. I've just been so busy. But yeah, let's just get on to this tutorial. I hope it's not too long a video. Also, I'm a little rusty and I had a couple of mistakes here and there, so just bear with me, please. Yeah, tutorial. Let's start. Now to get that 70s feathered hair, we're going to start off by parting our hair on the side. And next I am taking a flat iron and a small section of the front of my hair, and I'm going to curl this away from my face, and then I'm just going to roll it up into itself and then pin it and allow it to cool in that position. And I'm going to just do this with the front sections of my hair that are framing my face. And I'm using a flat iron just because I find that it gets hot really fast and it's quicker. But if you have a barrel curling iron or a wand that you want to use, go ahead and use that instead. Now I just want to quickly curl the rest of my hair, and I'm just going to take small sections, and once again I'm going to curl them away from my face. And these I'm just going to let hang down. No product, no hairspray or anything. I just want a really loose curl. Also, if I sound a little weird, I kind of have a cold right now and I feel like I sound more nasally than usual, and I just wanted to clarify that I am sick. And we'll finish our hair off after we're done doing our makeup. This is a totally optional step, but I do like the results. I'm going to go ahead and just take a pore filling primer and I'm going to apply that all over my T-zone. Next, I'm going to take a medium coverage foundation, and this one's the Rimmel Lasting Finish Breathable Foundation in Soft Beige. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face, and I'm just going to buff it in with a flathead brush. And if you find that you need a little bit more coverage in some areas, just go ahead and apply a little bit more and buff it in. I tend to crease really quickly, so I'm just going to take a loose setting powder and I'm going to apply that all over my face. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to take a black eyeliner pencil and I'm going to trace my bottom lash line, extend that line out, and then I'm going to create a winged shape on the corner of my eye and I'm going to fill it in. Next, I'm going to go in for my inner corner and I'm going to cut a crease into my eyelid. And I'm going to have that meet up with that wing that we created. And I'm just going to deepen it up. It doesn't have to be perfect because now we're going to take a clean pencil brush and we're going to go ahead and blend that out a bit. We're going to still maintain the shape, but we want to soften any of the harsh lines. And I'm mostly focusing this on my bottom lash line and my outer corner to kind of create a soft wing. So finishing up the shadow parts, next we're going to highlight some areas and I'm going to just take a creamy concealer and I'm going to pop this onto my brow bone to help it protrude a little bit more so we create that depth and dimension. And I'm also going to take a little angled brush and some more of that concealer and I'm going to help further define that inner cut crease that we started. And go ahead and blend that concealer onto the eyelid where it meets up with the eyeliner. Now I made a slight mistake by not really cutting my crease where I wanted to, so I'm just going over all of that with concealer and then I'm going to reline with that eyeliner pencil. So if you find yourself making a little mistake, it's okay, it's really easy to fix. With a medium shader brush and an emerald green eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and start placing this on the center of my eyelid and towards the outer corner. And with that same shader brush, I am now picking up a lighter green. This is like a pastel shimmer green. And I'm going to apply this onto the inner corner of my eye. With the pencil brush, I'm going to dip into a matte black eyeshadow and this gray eyeshadow. And I'm going to start to work this into my crease. We're going to lay this over that eyeliner base that we laid down and we're going to soften this and deepen it up. With that same brush, I'm going to dip into a metallic-y blue eyeshadow and I'm going to work that into my crease as well, just because I kind of like the look of it. Next, I'm just taking a medium shader brush and that lightest shade, which is kind of a yellow champagne color, and I'm going to apply this onto my brow bone and I'm going to slowly blend that into the crease color. Going back in with that pencil brush and a little bit of that black matte eyeshadow and I'm going to deepen the crease up a bit more because I felt like I lost some of that color. Now to really make this look super blended, I'm going to take that medium shader brush and a little bit of that Coty Airspun powder and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone and that really finishes the eye off and blends the colors together. Going back in with that pencil, I'm going to go ahead and just define that crease and really make sure that that cut crease is pronounced. I'm running a little bit of brow gel through my brows just because I always get eyeshadow particles in it. Next, I'm going to take a nude eyeliner and I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto my waterline and I'm going to blend it into my inner corner as well, just to brighten it up. Next, I'm going to take a very shimmery champagne highlight color and I'm going to go ahead and pop that into my inner corner eye. And now I'm just going to take a black liquid eyeliner and we're going to create a relatively thin line on our top lash line. It's not really winged out, it's just a base for your eyelashes. Speaking of eyelashes, go ahead and just take whatever your favorite mascara is and apply heaps of mascara to your top and bottom eyelashes. And with this look, I'm going to wear a really spiky and full pair of false eyelashes on my top lash line. Now for the stars, we're going to use some party confetti, and I chose these little blue metallic stars. And we're going to glue this below our eye, kind of centered. and I just used some lash glue. And now I'm finishing my face off with a little bit more powder. Next, I'm going in with a soft pink blush and a tiny angled contour brush. And we're going to work this color into the hollows of our cheek. This is just kind of a good base to see where you're going. And I liked how that looks, so now I'm going in with a pink and a red, and we're going to further intensify that blush. Once again, working that into the hollows of our cheek, sweeping that towards our hairline, making sure that everything is really blended because it can get really harsh quickly. And we're going to work some of this color into our temple as well. Be careful not to go heavy-handed on this part. I sort of did. But if that happens to you, just take some face powder and that same brush and apply that over it, and then it just blends it out, softens it so it's not as harsh. Because I really went in. And I'm just touching up my eyebrows again because of the blush. And now I am just taking a little contour nose brush and a very soft brown color, and I'm just going to contour my nose a bit. Once again, totally optional. I just like the way it looks. Now we're going to line our lips. So I am taking a red lip liner, and I'm going to go ahead and just line my lips. I wanted to have a sharper cupid's bow with this look just because I think it's kind of fun. I like the look of it, but you can feel free to just follow your natural lip line if you like. Now we're going to take an electric orange lipstick and we're going to apply that on our lips. I actually wanted this to be a little bit more orange. It kind of turned out still sort of red, but it's okay. It's still a look. We're going to wear it. And now I'm going to take a lip gloss and we're going to really lay this lip gloss on thick. I love a really lacquered patent leather looking lip. Now for some glitter, I'm going to take this glitter gel and a little bit of gold glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it up on the back of my hand. And we're just going to tap this right below our eyes. Marc Bolan was known for wearing lots of glitter under the eyes. And I mean, if you're going to do a Bolan groupie look, you got to do the glitter. Next, I'm going to take a bit of a champagne shimmer and I'm going to pop that on the tip of my nose because it's cute. Now go ahead and start taking the bobby pins out of your hair. And I'm just going to use a comb and I'm going to brush through it, and I'm teasing this side a little bit because it was kind of flat. And I'm just gently brushing the side with more hair on it, just finessing it, and it just does its own thing. It's better to just leave it. And I threw some shades on, heart-shaped sunglasses, rhinestoned, because also it's a look. And this is it for the completed look. I took the rhinestone glasses off. I had them on for a while, but I feel like they're making my head look weird. Do they look weird? I feel like I have a weird shaped head. Anyways, I had so much fun filming this look. I also enjoy wearing this look. I love having like all the glitter and sequins glued to my face, and I love green eyeshadow. Doesn't matter what form it comes in. I love green eyeshadow, and I relish the fact that I can wear it. Also, if you guys have any recommendations for a really great metallic green eyeshadow similar to the one in the Pat McGrath Mothership palette, but not from that palette because it's so expensive and I can't afford it, although I would love to have it. Yeah, any recommendations, just let this girl know. I'm always on the hunt for like emerald green metallic eyeshadows, and I also like olive-y colors, like olive colors. Really cute, really cute. But yeah, I had lots of fun filming this look. I feel like I made a couple of mistakes here and there. I feel a little rusty. It's been like 2 months since I filmed a tutorial. I've been incredibly lazy. Literally there's no excuse. I mean, yeah, I was doing things, but I also had time to film and I just didn't, because I'm very lazy. I'm like, I have to set up the equipment and then I could think about like editing, which I'm not really great at. I feel like if I was great at editing, I'd probably relish that fact a little bit more. But yeah, what was I talking about? This look. I'm gonna leave a list of all the products that I used down below in the description. Of course, I also include them now in the video. I'm trying to find my editing style, and so if there's things that you guys would prefer to see, or just any tips, feel free to let me know, because I'm always trying to like, I want them to be viewer friendly in the sense that like you guys can watch videos. Like I've been needing to add a captioning to my videos and I haven't done that yet. Just different things. I want this channel to be a little bit better. I mean, I don't think it's ever gonna be that like professional YouTuber level video because I'm not a professional YouTuber. It's not my job. But I do want it to be user friendly. Although, you know, I often make inappropriate references, so maybe not completely user friendly. But you know what I mean. Okay, this is a very long outro, but thank you so much for everyone who's been hanging by and watching my videos and being really supportive. I appreciate that so much. It just makes me really happy to get to see some of the nice things that you say, and I'm always in awe of how incredibly sweet you guys are and supportive, and when I always say it, but I do feel very lucky to have your guys' support. So thank you for that. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna end this video because it's kind of long. The shades are going back on. What if I put them on my face? Should I do that? Ooh, they're kind of dirty. Don't look at that. Just look at everything else. Is this a mood? It's a mood, right? It's my mood. My mood for 2018 is just rock and roll groupie. All right,